Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Airport is usually represented by KIN, or you put Kingston, Manley International, and it will come up, but the abbreviation is KIN. So if you are, where I'm going is arrival, because I'm going to do a pickup, but if you're departing, I'm going to show you where you go. So departure and arrival, everybody go turn left here. So that is where, and on the right you have the car park. So if you want to park and fly, you can also do that. Keep in your left if you're gonna do your drop off. If you're going around or you're going to the car park, you keep in the right lane. Manley International Airport. It's totally enclosed with air conditioning. And when you go out, it's you don't go out unlike some of the Caribbean countries where you just go onto you have to go up the stairs of the plane. No, you go into the official thing and just walk straight into the plane. You don't have to go back out into the air. So if you're gonna pick up now, you come around here. What some people do is they wait out the front until, or you can park and sit and wait in the car park. I think I might do that, I'm not sure, because I don't want to be driving round and round. So guys, I don't know where to no entry. You can also pick up a rental car out here too. So I'm going around and come back. It's so hot outside. I really don't want to go outside. I have to stand up and wait. But it's good if you're picking up someone, if they can get the Wi-Fi in the airport and call you if they don't have a local number, just to say the plane has arrived. Because I was in such a rush, I didn't even get to go and check if the flight was on time. So I will have to go and park and check to see if the flight is on time. Maybe going to the car park. There's a special section of the Manley International Airport dedicated to our national heroes. So this is Paul Bogle, our national hero. All these sculptures were done by Alvin Marriott. That is Marcus Messiah Garvey, Nanny of the Maroons. The only female national hero, heroine. This is Norman Manley. The right, excellent, George William Gordon. This is Sam Sharp. Alvin Marriott, he did the sculpture of the bust of all the national heroes. We have our national anthem, national flower, national fruit, national flag. The bird is our national bird. Labor of love. Marriott worked for 10 hours a day for the over 8 years to sculpt the monument. So this is a nice little area which is dedicated to our national heroes at the Norman Manley International Airport in Palisadoes, Kingston, Jamaica. The airport is quite spacious, as you can see. And it's very clean and it's totally enclosed, so there's air conditioning. And you just come and do your drop-offs at the front there, and you go further down to do the pickups. So we just exit after. You can accompany anyone you're going to the airport with. You can accompany them inside until they go to the security area. Then you leave, and then you go over this exit to exit here to the car park. Have the rates. I'm going to show you the rates. So you drive down this road and you take the right into this section, car park. You can enter from up top too, I'm not sure. You have the rates for the road, for the parking, public car park, duration of stay, and the fee up to 1 hour, 250 Jamaican dollars, excess of 1 hour up to 2 hours, $500. In excess of 2 hours up to 3 hours, $750. In excess of 3 hours and up to 24 hours, $1,000. The daily rate is $1,000 Jamaican. Then the drive come in here. I forgot to do the video. The drive come in here. You take a ticket. There's a little booth, a little yellow booth. You just press the button and you get a ticket, and you just drive and park anywhere you feel like. When you're leaving, you go to the booth. So let me see. Let's go. So let's see what this is saying now. So it says to push button and take a ticket, park and keep the ticket. Before exit, walk to pay station. Oh, scan ticket and pay, and exit barrier, scan ticket to open. Must exit within 20 minutes of paying. I'm going to find the pay station now. Given my ticket to scan. Could have put some proper arrows in or so. Just keep your eye on the booth. Okay, so the next exit sign here. Exit number 2. No, you see, I must come with the ticket and pay.
Yeah, that's 500.
Oh, I must scan the ticket now.
Yeah, if the barrier don't live.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, please, okay. Thanks. Okay, so when you get the ticket, there's a little barcode. So you have to put it down and put the barcode up so that the machine can scan it, right? So she said sometimes it will lift, but if it doesn't lift, then you have to scan it, right? So you're gonna turn right when you exit. So that is when you drop off, right? Where those vehicles are directly in front of the airport. And if you're gonna pick up, which I showed in the previous video, you come down here. So keep an eye out on your left. If you're not picking up, just stay in the right lane. If you're just exiting, stay in the right lane. But this kind of look like it broke down or something, I'm not sure what happened here. So normally you would stay in the right lane. Like that car broke down. If you're picking up, you stay on your left. They don't really allow you to park, but you can wait for a little bit until your person comes out. I'm going in the car. There's a police station out here too. I think there's a tasty patty place on your left. when you reach a roundabout, if you want to go to Port Royal, you can turn right. But we're not going to Port Royal, we're going back to Kingston. So we're turning left. We call this area Palisadoes. Anywhere to the east, you turn right. Turn left if you're going back to Kingston. Straight ahead, if there's a shopping center somewhere over that side, straight ahead there's a Burger King over there. I think there might be, and there's a KFC over there. That's it. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Remember to press that red arrow at the bottom of the video, and to continue to watch, there is also a link at the end of each video, so you can watch that video which is linked, or you can just search. I also find what my other videos are, and remember to check out my cooking videos, and to subscribe, share, comment, leave a nice little comment like good video, or if you want anything else to be shown, or you want to add any information in the comment section, please feel free to do so. I really appreciate you for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.